Hello friends, welcome to Technotree. Myself Vineet, and today we will discuss about design patterns in Java. We will discuss what are design patterns, types of design patterns, and we will run some practical examples in Java. What are design patterns? Design patterns are well-proven solution of a specific problem. Now the question is what kind of problems that we are going to solve. Let me explain this by an example. Suppose I want to create a single object of a class that I want to use in any other class, and this is a very famous design pattern called singleton. We will learn about the singleton design pattern later on this lecture. As we have learned, design patterns are we use design pattern to solve a particular problem or a specific problem. Now we will learn about types of design pattern. So we have creational pattern, structural pattern, behavioral pattern, and J2E pattern. So in this lecture we will learn all four type of design patterns. Let's start with creational pattern. What is creational pattern? Creational pattern provides a way to create object while hiding the creational logic. But why? Why do we need this? Suppose object creation is complex. Let's understand this by an example. Suppose I have lots of toys like car, robot, bus, and based on toy type, we are going to create the toy object. If type is car, then we have to create car object. If type is robot, then we have to create robot object. So in place of writing this logic everywhere, we write this logic at one place, and that is called toy factory. And this is a very famous design pattern called factory design pattern. We will learn about this factory design pattern in this lecture. So let's start with creational patterns. We have 6 type of creational pattern: singleton, factory, abstract factory pattern, prototype, builder pattern, and object pool pattern. Now singleton pattern. What is singleton? Singleton says create only one object of a class whenever it is required. Now the question, when it is required to create a singleton class, let's understand this by an example. Suppose we are running an application where we want to load some global configuration of an application like property file or any other config ml, and we want to use that configuration somewhere in the class. So what we will do, we will create a class single object. We will load all the configuration in that object, and we will use the particular single object in anywhere in the class. Another example is for logging. We use singleton for logging, and for DAO classes as well. DAO is another design pattern that we will discuss. There are many ways to create a singleton class. The simplest way is eager initialization. It is a simple way to create the singleton class, but there are many pros and cons as well. Now we will run some practical example to create a simple singleton class. So I'll open Eclipse and then create a simple singleton class over here. So let's see, I want to create a simple class, a class. Let's a singleton demo, and I'll create an instance here. Let's make this class final so that nobody can extend this class, and definitely a private constructor. Why private constructor? Because we are restricting that this is a singleton and nobody can create the instance of this class by new operator from outside this class. So this is, let's write something here. Object created, or we can write our logic. So whatever we want to perform, suppose we want to load configuration. So this is just an example. If we want to load configuration for a application, then we can write the code here. Now we can simple create a get instance method which is static, and that we have already initialized the instance over here. So this is the eager initialization. Once the class is loaded, the object will be created. Now let's call this. Let's call this get instance. Now I can call it many times. Let's run this class. You can see the object created is called only once at line number 9. So it is creating the object only once and using that particular object again and again. See you in the next lecture.